This is a brief overview of human performance technology presented by Sally DeMarco. Human performance technology, HPT, is a systematic approach to improving individual worker performance and overall organization performance. It focuses on identifying root causes of undesired performance, implementing effective solutions, and continuous evaluation. HPT is a framework used to comprehensively improve human performance in organizations. HPT maximizes achievements while minimizing costly efforts. The HPT model, according to O'Driscoll, includes performance analysis, cause analysis, intervention, selection and design, implementation, and evaluation of results. Let's further investigate O'Driscoll's summary of the HPT model. In performance analysis, we look for the performance discrepancy or gap. This is the difference between actual performance and desired performance. Desired performance reflects the organization's mission, strategy, and goals. The environment, previous interventions, lack of training, or other various factors influence the actual performance state. Once we determine the gap, we look for the cause. This is asking why. This may be due to the lack of consequences, incentives, or rewards, data, information, and feedback, environmental support, resources, and tools, individual capacity, motives and expectations, or skills and knowledge. Once we have determined the cause, we consider possible implementation, selection, and design to close our performance gap. If we think the best intervention is human resource development, we may provide education and training or individual incentives or awards. Examples of organizational development interventions include team building and group feedback systems. If we think human resource management could provide the best intervention, some strategies may be employee relations or personnel selection. Finally, facilities design and documentation are examples of environmental engineering interventions. Now that we have chosen our intervention, we must implement our chosen strategy. After an appropriate amount of time, we evaluate the implementation's results. We are now full circle in evaluating the actual performance against the desired performance. If the gap remains, we conduct a cause analysis and choose a new intervention to implement and evaluate. The analysis and identification of a specific problem should be emphasized. This could be done with stakeholders, workers, or through observation, or better yet, include all three. The goal of the intervention is to fulfill the gap identified in the analysis. We want to be sure to align the intervention with the company's goals. For accurate evaluation, the intervention needs to have measurable achievements. The intervention should lead the company to continuous improvement. Previous HPT case studies reveal a variety of organizational goals. In a study by Comberti and DeMiccola regarding automobile factory and a study by Suprato et al. About an oil company, safety was the goal. Lower costs were the goal in a study about a sports technology company by Osam Manol. In an educational study by Page, both student and teacher performance were improved. Sims et al. Conducted a study using HPT to increase female leadership in a university setting. Gilbert shares a study where it was assumed that sales from a candy store could be increased with proper training, but the performance gap was actually due to manufacturing, packaging, and marketing. The case studies in this presentation alone, representing studies across 3 continents, make it evident that HPT can be used worldwide. HPT will continue to remain relevant as organizations continue to desire maximum productivity and profits, address safety concerns, and develop a sense of community in the workplace.